Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook crystal shrimp in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to find a place with fire, like this one right here, and go close to it and press F to interact with it, like so. So here are all the dishes you can cook with this fire. Here, search for crystal shrimp, which is right over here. Click on it once. So ingredients we need are 3 rice, 3 shrimp meat, and 2 carrots. Press on this cook button right here if you have all these ingredients, like so. Here you can see 2 options. You can choose to auto cook it or cook it manually. Click on any of these and then press confirm, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!